If you don't have a Webfile account, view our How to Create a Webfile Account video to learn how to sign up. If you already have an account, let's continue.
This video will take you through the process of making a credit card payment. Payment by credit card requires you to enter your credit card account information. We accept American Express, Discover, and MasterCard. Transaction fees do apply with this payment option. Now remember, you can pause this video at any time. Now let's get started. Once you have selected to file a return with a payment or make a payment only, you will arrive at the payment portal page. The payment portal page may reflect total tax due, balance due, and pending payments. Returns and payments that have not been completely processed will not be reflected. Please note, franchise tax account balances are not reflected in Webfile. A payment is not submitted at this point. You will be prompted for financial information and have the option to modify the payment amount after selecting Continue. Select the radio button next to Credit Card and select Continue. If a return has been filed, the amount due will populate in the Amount to Pay box. Verify the payment amount is correct. If you need to make changes, you can adjust the amount of the payment in the Amount to Pay box. If a return has not been filed, you must enter an amount to pay. Franchise tax account balances are not reflected in Webfile. If you are making a payment only for sales tax or direct pay and the return has not been filed, you must enter the state and local amounts due. The amounts you enter will be combined for the total amount to pay on the summary page. You may select payment options at any time to return to the payment options screen. The payment options screen provides the option to change a payment type or file a return without payment if a return is being filed. Select Agree and Continue. The payment portal summary screen provides you with the ability to confirm the payment amount. You may select Edit to correct payment data. Once you have reviewed your payment information, select Continue and you will be directed to a secure credit card processing site to complete the transaction. On the payment process screen, you will enter credit card customer billing information and contact information. Help is available by selecting the question mark next to the field. Select Next to enter payment information. To return to the payment options screen, select Cancel. Enter the credit card payment information and select Next. To edit the customer information or payment information, select Edit. For your security, you will be prompted to enter the text you see in the verification section. The text must be entered exactly as displayed. To generate a new verification image, select the Refresh button. To hear the text in the image being read aloud, select the Audio button. Once you select Submit Payment, the transaction cannot be amended or canceled by the Comptroller's office. Verify all the information is correct and select Submit Payment to continue with this transaction, or select Cancel to return to the Payment Options page. If the verification text is not entered exactly, you will receive an error and be provided with new verification text. The verification text must be entered correctly to complete the payment. Select Submit Payment to continue with the transaction. If you receive an error message regarding your card, please contact your credit card provider. You will receive a confirmation page when you have successfully submitted your payment. It is very important to print or save this page for your records. If you are submitting a return with your payment, this will be reflected on this page. Once you have submitted your payment, you may review the payment and return history by selecting Return to menu. The View Return Summary option allows you to view the history for your electronic submissions. Select the radio button next to View Transaction History and select Continue. The View Transaction History screen will list all the returns and payments you submitted on your Webfile account. Payment processing times may vary. The typical processing time is 3 to 4 days. Payments reflect the submission date or payment effective date. If you need additional help, call 1-800-442-3453 or email webfile.help@cpa.texas.gov.